Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a pass and go, and this is more specifically a 90 years anniversary special edition um, for Monopoly. It's a board game if you guys don't know about it. So okay, this is 2026 uh, casting. I mean, it's a new casting for 2026. So I bought it for 179, which is the MRP still now. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I bought this, I think, in a bookshop, if I'm not wrong. There was actually two of it. I actually bought two of it because I love board games. I mean, as a kid, we used to, whenever there is raining outside, we used to play board games or carom. I mean, we are really good at it. So just to remind those days, just to remember those days, to be exact. So I bought two of it, and it looks really cool. Okay, so here is the card art. Okay, let's get to the casting now. So here is the casting itself. So the casting doesn't have much, but it looks very simple, very clean. I mean, it is supposed to resemble that token which you used to have along with that board game, Monopoly board game. So they really nailed it. And okay, there is one more thing. There is a Easter egg here. You can see a small hat here. That is the hat this guy is wearing, the Monopoly guy is wearing. So that is a really neat Easter egg on this one. That's really cool. Okay, so okay, the body is metal, the chassis is also metal. That is really awesome. And again, it doesn't have much of things going, but again, it is very simple, clean, neat. Again, this is supposed to resemble the token which they gave. So don't expect much detailing when it comes to this specific casting. So it is supposed to, at least for me, make you remember those good times. So back then I never had a Monopoly. I mean, we used to have this generic board games like Snake and Ladder, Ludo, chess, everything in one single box. So they usually give a token in plastic, I mean, like the red color or something like that. So this one is really nice. Maybe I will be using this moving forward for all of my board games. Looks really cool. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm hoping somewhere around 40 grams. Wow, 31 grams. It is actually very low for this casting. And it is a full metal casting. So I was hoping a little bit more. But it's okay. I'm not going to complain about this. It is a really neat and cool casting. So if you guys left this casting out, I mean, it's you're bad guys. Just go ahead and get it. So I usually don't recommend that easily when it comes to getting Hot Wheels, mostly because of a lot of quality control issues. But there are some castings like the Bounce and Bass which we unboxed, or the BMW, this one. So these are the castings I usually recommend. More specifically this one, because this ties up to something which generations of kids are actually playing, right? And it will come maybe in future, maybe after 10-20 years, if you are looking at this particular casting, it will give you some kind of fond memory. At least for me it did. That's the reason I bought. Okay, one more thing, the wheels are actually not metal, those are plastic, but it neatly ties up with this entire casting. It's really good. Okay, let's do a roll test. It rolls really well. It rolls really well. So if you want me to rate this casting, I usually don't rate something which uh, you know which is supposed to imitate something else. I mean, like, it is something related to a board game, not it is not even something related to a car at all. uh, I would give a solid 10 out of 10. I'm not saying any issue with this because this is how it's supposed to look like, and it is looking like it. So yeah, 10 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.